This is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a vegan bullet lipstick base. And this one, the first one I'm going to show you is going to be vegan. So the first, and I'm only going to make half my recipe, and I'll actually show you how to upsize these. So the first thing I'm going to put is 1 1/8 teaspoon of carnauba wax. All right. Right, that's 1 teaspoon. Oops. I want to put the 1/8. Okay, that's your carnauba wax. And this is my double boiler bowl. And I kind of have it on like a medium heat, so it'll start dissolving this while we put the rest of the ingredients in. So the next thing we're going to do is candelilla wax. And we're to go 2 1/2 teaspoons. That's 1, 2, and where is my half? That's half a tablespoon. Fourth, we'll do 2/4 because I'm not sure what I did with it. Okay. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to put is shea butter. Let's see. Where's the shea? Oh, here's the shea butter. Okay. So we're going to put 2 1/2 teaspoons. So I'm going to probably try it with this one here. Might be easier to level it out. Once you start doing this, you'll have your own tools that you like to use. I have some plastic and some that are metal. Okay, use my spatula to get that out. And we are going to do another teaspoon. This one's pretty easy to make. You can buy a pre-made base, which I will show you in another video, but it's always good to be able to make your own. All right, so we need 1/2 teaspoon to finish that. Just do 2/4 because I don't know what to do with my half. And this should be mostly done by the time we finish putting the ingredients in. Okay. And the next thing we are going to do is, that was my shea butter. So the next thing we want to do is castor oil. And castor oil, we're going to put 3 tablespoons plus 3/4 of a teaspoon. Let's see if I can do this. That's 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. And I'm going to take my spatula and get the rest of it out. Okay, and then the next thing we need from it is 3/4 of a teaspoon, and this is my 3/4. I'm just going to scoop it. And pour that. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is going to be jojoba oil. I always put my lids back on everything because it's so easy to spill. Okay, we need 2 1/2 tablespoons. So we're going to do 1, 2, that's my 1/2 teaspoon, that's my 1/2 tablespoon. Okay, and then 1 teaspoon, and that will finish this off. Okay, and that's really about it. Once you get all the ingredients in, you just have to dissolve everything. And this makes quite a bit. I think this makes about 4 ounces of lipstick base. That's why I cut it in half. But if you're making a lot of this base, you can use the full recipe. So all you'd have to do is double what I just put in there. So normally what I do is I'll pre-make the base, put it in the jar, and then I just take out what I need when I'm making a lipstick. So once this dissolves, then we're going to put it in a cup. And this is one of my melter bowls. And once it cools, then you could put it into a different container and just store it. Okay, once that's completely dissolved, I'm going to wipe off the bottom of the bowl, turn my fire down, and I'm going to pour the rest of it in this melter bowl. Okay. And then when this cools, I usually put them in mason jars. And when you go to make a lipstick with this, you weigh out 4 grams of the lipstick base, and then 0.75 grams of a lipstick color grind. Okay, this was making your own DIY bullet vegan lipstick base.